the best app for productivity and learning in 2025. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Humanity Perspective, where we uncover the secrets to a better life. Today, we're talking about something that can transform the way you work, learn, and stay organized, the best app for productivity and learning in 2025. Trust me, this one app can make a real difference in your daily life. So, let's dive in. We live in a fast-paced world where distractions are everywhere. Staying productive and managing learning effectively can be a challenge. But what if there was a tool that could streamline everything? Notion. What is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, project collaboration, and knowledge organization in a single app. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to get life together, Notion is a game changer. Notion allows you to create custom workspaces tailored to your needs. You can set up to-do lists, embed calendars, track goals, and even automate your workflows. The best part? It syncs seamlessly across all your devices. For students and lifelong learners, Notion is like having a second brain. You can create study schedules, take structured notes, and even build your own wiki of knowledge. Plus, with features like linked databases and flashcards, it makes learning more interactive and efficient. What makes Notion stand out? It's customizable. You can use pre-made templates or build your own. Plus, with its AI integration, Notion can help summarize notes, generate ideas, and automate repetitive tasks. It's like having a personal assistant. If you're a student, you can track assignments and revision schedules. Content creators can plan video scripts and manage research. Teams can collaborate on projects in real time. Whatever you do, Notion adapts to your workflow. While Notion is fantastic, it's not the only option. If you prefer simplicity, Evernote might be for you. If you're into deep note-taking, Obsidian offers a unique graph view. But for an all-in-one solution, Notion still reigns supreme. Notion is our top pick for productivity and learning in 2025. Have you used it before? Or do you have another favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest insights. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.